have 48 hours before my midterm and I haven't attended a single lecture, but I'm still getting an A in the class, and here's exactly how I did it. My first plan was to get into my professor's head and understand how she structures the midterm. The first thing I knew is that all exams are based on lectures, so I knew I needed to know the material and memorize lots of brain pathways. My second step was to catch up on the material by watching every single lecture. To make sure that I remember and understand the material, after every lecture I would upload my slides to Gizmo and have it quiz me on my lecture. And if I didn't get something, I would make sure to go back and explain what the slides were about. The process of watching every single lecture and then studying the slides took around 15 hours. At this point, my brain was already kind of fried. For this neurobiology class, on top of slides, my professor posts key points for every lecture, which usually has deeper explanations for the material that will likely be on the exam. I would upload my key points to AI tools and made them create questions that cover every single key point. I continuously quiz myself in this way because it's one of the best ways for me to memorize anything. This was around hour 37, so the night before my exam. Next step was to go through the sample exam my professor posted. I saw that and went through the questions I got wrong and tried to understand why I got them wrong. My last step was to ask AI to generate new test questions based on my professor's past exams. The rest of the night I spent solving AI-generated test questions. I'm not gonna lie, at this point I was very tired and had trouble recalling information. I decided to get more sleep and look through the things again in the morning. In the morning, I skimmed through the material and went to exam. Come back for grade reveal.